Hi students, welcome in the chemistry classes. So there is a good news for all of you students. Actually, I have seen that most of you students get difficulty in the organic chemistry. What is the difficulty? You don't know the basics of the organic chemistry. So when you look at the questions, you get afraid. How we will tackle with these questions? Actually, the questions are very simple. But for this, you should know the basics. Okay. What is the basic thing in the organic chemistry? What is electrophile? What is nucleophile? What is the difference between nucleophile and base? Okay, which types of the reactions actually there are in the organic chemistry? Okay, where the reagent is attacking from below the plane, where it is attacking from above the plane, if it is attacking from less hindered side or more hindered side. Okay, all the things where the reaction is slow, where the reaction is fast, what is the difference between the different types of the basic compounds, or what is the difference between the acidity of them. Okay, how you can compare these things, these whole concept, firstly you should know. Okay, for this actually we have started a course. Okay, we are going step by step. Okay, we cannot make a course directly for full organic chemistry because I think you should know it in a very better way. Okay, so I am proceeding one by one. Firstly, I have prepared this course for the general organic chemistry. Here you will get all the basic things of the general organic chemistry. Then you will see aromaticity, how you can find out which compound is aromatic, which is anti-aromatic, non-aromatic, quasi-aromatic, all the things you will see here. Okay, then you will see IUPAC nomenclature, different type of questions. Then you will see the stereochemistry, all the basics of the stereochemistry. Okay, then how to draw the different types of the conformations, different types of configurations, different types of projections. You will see all the things. Then you will see advanced level. Okay, and with this you will also get the notes. And this whole thing is only in the 599 rupees. Okay, firstly do this thing, then we will do the questions and all the concepts of the organic name reactions. This we will see somewhat later. Firstly, do this thing. And one more thing. Beside this, there is the courses of the full inorganic chemistry and full physical chemistry available on our app. Okay, just in 1499 rupees. And there is test series, all the mock tests you have given in this course. Okay, only in this course you have given the mock tests, you have given the notes, you have given all the units videos. Okay, so if you want you can buy these courses, and if you don't want you can see some of our videos are available on the YouTube. And if you want more videos you can directly comment. So please comment me and give me the suggestion which type of videos you want. Okay, so prepare well for your exam. Okay, meet you in the next video. Thank you.